Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about how to turn your New Year's resolutions into effortless habits. You know, most people for the New Year's resolution, they select getting in shape, losing weight, quit smoking, exercising more, and getting organized. Not in any particular order, but it's always, those are some of the top ones that are people's New Year's resolutions. What were yours this year? Anyway, in order to create effortless habits, I really feel that you need to be, of course, organized, because if you're organized, you have way more time to set aside for doing your other resolutions, which might be to get healthy and exercise more. So one of the things is to, of course, schedule that exercise time in your calendar like it's a very important appointment with a specialist. And so you'll want to take a look at your week and say, okay, I'd like to exercise 2 or 3 times this week. What days are going to be best for me to do that? And schedule it in. But you want to schedule in some exercise that is really passionate for you. So if you don't like going on a treadmill, don't try and force yourself to go on a treadmill. You'll want to go maybe swimming, or maybe take a yoga class or a fitness class of some sort, or go for a walk with a friend. So do something that really resonates with you. The other thing too is make sure that all your clothing is organized. So you want to make sure that you've got, a few t-shirts, like 5 to 7 t-shirts, and donate the rest. You don't need 30 t-shirts for exercising in. And make sure that you've got some great bottoms, of course, shorts or track pants, and a good pair of shoes. And so then once you've got your clothing all organized, then of course you want to make sure that your fitness bag is organized. So you'll want to make sure that that is put together the night before, so that it's right ready to go at any given time, with a fresh water bottle in there and a towel, maybe some exercising bands that you might use, or balls or things like that, and have it. And a snack is always good to have in there, like a protein bar or some nuts or something like that, so that if you get stuck and you're really super hungry, that you can have a little jolt of energy before you get going on your exercise. So, try these tips. There's some other ones below. And most importantly though, in order to create good, healthy habits so that you can do your New Year's resolutions, you need to be organized. So if that's a challenge for you, if you're feeling like you've got too much stuff in too small a space, or, too many things tripping over, then it's time for us to set aside a free consultation where you can have a discovery session and just learn a little bit more about how to get your year in gear. All right, so Happy New Year to everybody. Make this one of your best years ever, and check out GettingItTogether.ca.